Bonjour mes amis. The topic for today's lesson is les articles contractés, means contracted articles. So let us see what are contracted articles and how and when they are used. So in this video, we will focus on the first set of contracted articles which are formed by combining the preposition a with the definite articles. So preposition a plus definite article forms the contracted article. The meaning of this contracted article is to the or at the in English. And also the contracted articles are used according to the gender and the number of the noun, which is masculine, feminine, singular or plural. Now let us see how the contracted articles are formed. So the first one, when we combine the preposition a with the definite article le, the contracted article formed is au, which is o, and this is used for masculine singular nouns. So for example, je vais au cinéma means I am going to the cinema. So since cinema is a masculine noun, so we use the contracted article au cinema. Then next, for feminine singular nouns, when we combine preposition a with the definite article la, the contracted article is a la. Example, il va à la piscine means he goes to the swimming pool. Since piscine is a feminine noun, so we will use the contracted article a la. And third, for all plural nouns, be it masculine or feminine, when we combine the preposition a with definite article le, the contracted article formed is aux, o. So for example, vous parlez aux enfants. Because here enfant is a plural noun, that is why we use the contracted article aux, o. Now next, if we have a masculine or feminine singular noun starting with a vowel, the contracted article used is a l apostrophe because we combine the preposition a with the definite article l apostrophe. So for example, tu vas à l'école. Here école is a feminine noun starting with a vowel and it is in the singular form. So we will use a contracted article a l apostrophe. Tu vas à l'école means you go to the school. And lastly, in few cases, we only use the preposition a and not the contracted article because here before proper nouns means name of a person or name of city or possessive adjective or demonstrative adjective, only the preposition a is used. For example, je vais à Paris means I go to Paris. Il parle à Marc, he speaks to Mark. Elle parle à son ami means she speaks to her friend. Tu vas à ce restaurant means you go to this restaurant. So here, if we translate any sentence in English, for example, I go to Paris, in English we do not say I go to the Paris. So because we are not using the definite article the over here, that is why in these sentences, in these cases, only the preposition a is used and not the contracted article. Now let us see a few more examples. First one, nous allons au restaurant. Since restaurant is a masculine noun, that is why we use the contracted article au, o. Then next, il parle à la fille. Fille means a girl, so it is a feminine noun. That is why contracted article à la. Third, le professeur parle aux étudiants. Now étudiant here is given in the plural form. That is why we use the contracted article aux. Then fourth, je donne le chocolat à l'enfant. Enfant is given in the singular form and it is starting with a vowel. So contracted article a l apostrophe. So we see over here that all these translate to the, where to is the preposition a and the definite article depends on the gender or number of the noun, which decides the contracted article O, ala, al apostrophe or aux. And last example, elle va à Delhi. She goes to Delhi, not to the Delhi. So that is why, because we are using only the name of the place over here, so only preposition a, not the contracted article. So I hope that you all understood the concept of contracted articles with the preposition a. In the next video, we will continue with the same topic, contracted articles, but with the preposition the. Merci beaucoup. Please like and subscribe the channel.